Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Travel. Today I'm going to make Matar Paneer, which is very common recipe of Indian cuisine. Let's see how to do this. I'm taking around 2 tablespoons of oil. Our oil is quite hot. Now I'm going to add garlic. I took around 20 cloves of garlic. You can see I didn't chop it because I have to blend this. Now I'm going to add 4 onion. It's a medium size onion. 4 onion. Put salt because it helps onion to cook properly and it cooks fast. So just cover it for 1 minute. Now it's done. Now I'm adding tomato in this. I took 5 tomato and this gravy is for 700 gram of paneer. And now you have to cook this till it becomes soft. Close the lid and let it cook. See, it's done. It took around 15 minutes to cook. Yes, it's properly cooked. So now I will allow this to cool it down and bring this to the room temperature. After that we will blend. Meanwhile, we will prepare our spices. Here in another pan, I am adding around 1 tablespoon of oil. Make it little warm. It's warm. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. You can hear the crackle sound. I am adding bay leaves. Adding 2 to 3 cloves. Coriander and fennel powder, 1.5 teaspoon. Turmeric, half teaspoon. Dash of nutmeg. Wow, the fragrance of fresh spices are amazing. Just roast it for 30 seconds. Off the camera, I'm going to transfer this to a big pan because the tomato puree is little bit more, so I'm going to transfer another. I transfer this in a big pan because that was quite small for this much. Now I'm going to add this pea. I boiled it and now I'm going to add in this. And this is around 200 grams of pea. And with that also add cubes of paneer. I cut this size, not so big, not so small. Add in this mixture and give it a good boil. It's ready. And here it is. Enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.